Welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and be successful in this digital era. My name is Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're excited to dive into a highly sought after skill in technological landscape, mobile app development.
That's right. In this episode, we will explore what mobile app development entails, why it is crucial in this digital age, the benefits of learning this skill, and how you can become a proficient mobile app developer here at Bismarck Technologies.
Now, what is mobile app development? Mobile app development is simply the process of creating software applications designed specifically to run on mobile devices such as tablets or smartphones. It involves writing code, designing user interface, and ensuring the app performs on all devices.
Exactly. Mobile apps can be native, hybrid, or web-based, and they serve various purposes, from gaming and social networking to business applications and productivity tools.
Importance of mobile app development. In today's tech-driven world, mobile applications have become an integral part of our daily lives. They provide convenience, improve communication, and enhance productivity, making them very essential for businesses and users alike.
Absolutely. As mobile usage continues to rise, the demand for skilled mobile app developers grows, making this field vital for driving innovation and meeting user needs.
Benefits of learning mobile app development. Learning mobile app development equips you with a valuable skill set that is in high demand across every industry. You will learn programming languages, app design, and user interface experience, all of which are crucial in creating successful mobile applications.
Moreover, mobile app development offers flexibility in your career, allowing you to work on diverse projects, whether as part of a team or as a freelance developer.
How to learn mobile app development at Bismarck Technologies. At Bismarck Technologies, we offer a comprehensive course on mobile app development training program. It will cover essential topics such as iOS and Android development. You will also cover programming languages such as Java and Swift and user interface design.
Our hands-on training approach means you will work on real-world projects, enabling you to apply your skills and build a portfolio that showcases your capabilities to potential employers.
Career opportunities in mobile app development. With mobile app development skill, you can pursue various career paths such as mobile app developer, UI/UX designer, product manager, or even a software engineer.
The tech industry is constantly evolving and skilled mobile app developers are always in demand, leading to competitive salaries and job security.
Now let's talk about opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, the mobile app development sector is thriving, with startups and established companies looking for talented developers to help them create innovative applications.
Internationally, mobile app development skills are highly sought after, offering numerous opportunities for remote work and collaboration with teams around the world.
Now, why should someone learn mobile app development? Learning mobile app development empowers you with the skills to create applications that enhances everyday life and solve real-world problems. It is a skill that combines creativity and technical know-how.
With hands-on training from Bismarck Technologies, you will gain the expertise and confidence needed to thrive in this exciting industry. If you're ready to embark on your journey to becoming a mobile app developer, check out Bismarck Technologies training program. This could be your gateway to a successful career in tech.
Thank you for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye.